Hey, my name is Frank John. I'm a janitorial coach at the Janitorial Coaching Hub. And today I just really want to talk to somebody and encourage you. Sometimes when you get started in the cleaning business, especially when you get started newly, you don't know where your first clients are coming from, and you try everything. All the things your coaches are telling you, your mentors are telling you, your own conscience is telling you to do. All the things you've read on YouTube, in books, listen to, you're doing, and the client is not coming. And you go for walkthroughs and you're not getting the account. And you know you can do the job. Don't give up. Don't. Keep doing the same thing. Keep doing it. Trust me. Keep working at it. Keep going back. Keep reaching out. Keep emailing. Keep calling. Because as you keep doing that, I believe God will give you the grace for the first account to open, and then you're not going to look back. It is very difficult sometimes to get your first account. But if I could get my first account and many accounts after that, then you are no different. So I just wanted to encourage you that keep doing what you're doing and you will succeed. See you around.